Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore AWS CLI. Okay, so basically what we are going to do today, we are going to do some kind of automation, okay, using AWS CLI. Okay, so I'm going to do in stepwise, phase wise. Okay, if you want, you can create a script and you can schedule that or you can deploy that. Okay, so what I'm planning to do, okay, one week I'm planning to publish a video for the automation, AWS automation, and the following week, I'm planning to publish a video for AWS troubleshooting, our daily hacks, operations, activities. Okay, so let me know, guys, if you want, if you are okay with this thing, and notify me in the comment section. Okay, so I will publish a video accordingly. Okay, so many of you guys asked me to say something about AWS CLI, make videos on AWS CLI, how to explore those options for beginners and going forward. Okay, so today we are going to see the episode 1. We can see the first video about the automation. Okay, so I'm making it very simple. You can use Linux or Windows, whichever you want. Okay, so for demo purpose, I'm going to using AWS Windows Server. Okay, and I already installed AWS CLI. If you don't know how to install CLI, I will upload the video on the I section. Okay, you can watch that and install the AWS CLI accordingly to your Linux and Windows instance. Okay, so before start the video, if you still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned on this channel for AWS troubleshooting and the automation stuff. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let me log into my AWS server. Okay, so this is my server. Let me open command prompt. Okay, let me open AWS configure. I already shown this in my earlier video, guys. Okay, if you don't know, please go ahead and watch. Okay, so I already configured my CLI. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so very first thing what we are going to do, we are going to see our key pairs. Okay, so this is the first video. Okay, I am making only going step by step. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to step by step about starting from beginner level, then intermediate, then expert. Okay, so let me know in comment section what kind of automation would you like to see, or you are facing some issues and you want that kind of automation. I will try to make those videos, okay, whichever possible for me for my demo lab. Okay, so let's see. Now I want to see the key pairs. Okay, so the command is AWS space EC2 space describe. Okay, so describe is a common thing. Okay, whatever you want to see, just mention describe. If you want to see your VPC, your security ID, whatever you want to see, right? So describe is a common command. Okay, so let's start and click enter. Okay, you can see this is my key pair, my key pair ID, my key pair name. How many key pair I have? I have 3 key pairs, demo 1, demo, and the automations. Okay, so this key pair I am having. Okay, so now let's move and try different command about explore about the security group. Okay, so let's do this. So the command is same, describe, and only mention security group. And if you need to add the security group ID, so if you know the security group ID, you can add. And if you want to see the security group ID, so just like this and click on enter. Okay, so you can see here. Oh, sorry, let me. Okay, yeah, so now it is a big screen, you can see. Okay, so let me show you how it is looks. Okay, so this is my security IDs. Now you can see when it is created. Okay, so this VPC is created on so and so. This security group is named demo SG. CDR range, it's allow for all. This is RHEL. It is created on this date. What else I have? Okay, I have only this thing. Okay, so now we created how to show the security IDs. Okay, now let's security groups. Okay, now let's explore and create a new security group. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so this is my command to create a new security group. AWS EC2 create hyphen security group. Group name my SG demo 1. My security group. Okay, so you've seen here I not have anything about my SG demo 1. Okay, so let's scroll up. Okay, this is default. This is RHEL. This is demo SG. Okay, and what we are giving? We are giving my SG demo 1. Okay, so this will be our group. Okay, so let's hit enter and let's see. Okay, so this group ID security group is created and this is the security group ID. Okay, now we can again run the same command and let's see. Okay, describe security group IDs and we now able to see my SG demo 1. Hit enter. Okay, and we can also see when it is created. This is demo. RHEL. Okay, see here my SG demo 1. This is one which we created. You can see the timestamp also. It is today's date. Okay, 17. Okay, now let's move ahead for our next command. Okay, so before that, let me show you out here also how it is looks. Okay, so let me go to AWS console, go to VPC, and then go to security group. Okay, so it will come a fair idea. Okay, so you can see here my SG demo 1 is created. Okay, this one. Okay, so now let's move ahead. Go back again to the command prompt. Okay, and now if you want to see the public IP, right? If you are on Windows instance or Linux instance, if you want to see the public IP about which public IP you are using, okay, either you can use this command https:// check IP dot amazon aws.com. Okay, there are multiple commands, so this is one of them. Okay, now let's move ahead. Okay, so now we created a security group. Okay, we validated that new security group. Even we check on the AWS console also. Okay, my SG group. Okay, it is there. Okay, now what we want to do? We want to delete that group, that security group. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, so let's the simple run the command. Okay, now here what we need to do? We need to give the security group ID. Okay, so let's see here what is our security group ID. You can use anywhere. Okay, from console also you can take, and from here also you can take your SG1 security ID. Okay, and just add your ID here. Okay, so our command will be AWS EC2 delete security group and the group ID and the security group ID. Okay, and just hit enter. Okay, so our security group is deleted. Okay, so want to confirm, either you confirm via command prompt. Okay, run the same command again and see if you are seeing MySG demo one something. Okay, so let's see MySG demo one default RHEL demo SG. Okay, so it's not there. Okay, so let's verify again. See here in our previous command we verify it is created MySG demo one. Now let's refresh this and let's see. Okay, so you can see here it is gone, right? So this is what we learned today. Okay, so this is very first video about the automation. So what we are going to do in the future, step by step. Okay, every alternate week I will try to show you guys something like this different thing. Okay, so you can also learn on you can try this on your test lab, on your production, wherever you want, or your dev environment. Okay, and if you like this video, then give one big thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So that's it for today. We'll see you on next week. Bye bye.